Hi, so this is the newer flash. This is the Z1C for Canon, which is what I use the more. And it's a flash that I like it very much. It's powerful, it's affordable, and works really well for me. So the only big complaint I had when I got this early this year is that the battery, which I like to be rechargeable, you could not find another one, so you are stuck with the one that came with the unit, and that's it. And I always like to carry a backup battery, right? So if you run out of battery, you put the new one, and that's it. So that was a very downfall, very big flaw. But now they release the battery, which you can now buy separately, and has a, see, this one has a only one proper way to insert in there. Maybe you cannot see. Yes, it's hard to see. Anyways, just one way to insert. Push it, and that's it. You're ready to go. So battery life is good. Actually, I was able to shoot every now and then just with the included battery previously, but I like to have the backup, and now I can recommend it.